Hello everyone, welcome to Yummy's kitchen today. In this video, we'll be making Makhani or Indian style pasta. This is a very spicy, hot and delicious pasta which everyone could try. Take some water in a vessel and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil in it. Let it come to a boil and add some salt and also 1 or 2 cups of pasta. Cook the pasta for about 6 to 7 minutes or until you can see that they become dente. And now drain the pasta after it's cooked. Take another larger pan and add 1 slice of butter, 1 teaspoon of jeera, and then 1 sliced onion and 4 or 5 garlic pieces and 2 slices of ginger. Also add 3 numbers of red chilli. This should be dried red chilies, and then 1/4 cup of cashew nuts and 2 small sliced tomatoes. Cook this for about 2 or 3 minutes. And then add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon of Garam masala powder and some salt. Saute them and then it's time to add some water. Add 2 cups of water to this. Let it come to a boil, and alongside you can also take 1 teaspoon of Kasuri methi and fry them. And now add the cooked mixture into the jar and crush the Kasuri methi on the top. Grind them into a fine paste as you can see in this. And now use the same vessel or a new vessel. Add butter and 1 tablespoon of maida in it and 300 ml of milk into it. Mix them without any lumps. And after that, add the grinded mixture into this. Cook this for about 6 to 10 minutes. Add about 50 grams of feta cheese or Mozarella cheese of your choice, and then add the boiled pasta to this. There you go, Makhani style or Indian style pasta has been ready. You can grate some cheese on the top and this would be yummy and delicious. Share this with your family and friends and they would ask you to cook this dish again and again. Thank you for clicking on the video today. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and also share the video with your friends and family. Also let us know if you would like us to make any other recipes in the future. Thank you for watching.